Hi, and welcome. Many software solutions have a high risk of being cracked, like popular games for instance. Sometimes it happens within just a few days. So, here's a thought. What if everybody knows they only have 24 hours to crack your software before they have to do it all over again? What if? This video demonstrates how SCRAMBLECODE can be used to implement a strong DRM protection which can change every day. And, as demonstrated later, it can actually be combined with whatever security you may already be using. Many software applications can be presented as building blocks containing some core functionality, maybe some premium features, certain access rights, and perhaps a communication module. As you may have seen in our videos, it is often enough to only protect a small percentage of the code. You just have to identify the essential functionality and port these functions into SCRAMBLECODE. Once it is compiled, it is extremely difficult to reverse engineer and crack. What's important is that you write the classes and functions in one SCRAMBLECODE project, because the compilation will then assemble, intertwine, and encrypt the code as a single protected unit, making it very difficult to attack or bypass the functions individually. As presented in another video, your solution binaries can be distributed to your customers in whatever manner currently used. You just have to deploy the SCRAMBLECODE protected bytecode as well using our base 64 text format. Okay, now that we have a strong DRM, let's exemplify how we can create many variants of our DRM and deploy them as often as we want. A simple cloud service can be used to frequently download a new DRM, but there must be a compelling reason for the end user to actually communicate with the server. A simple suggestion could be that each DRM contains a 24-hour limit on premium features, making these unavailable until a new DRM has been received. If you need a more substantial DRM variation, you could change the encryption for some of the data exchanged between the client and the server. One day, certain data packets use a pink encryption, the next day a yellow encryption, and so forth. The key is you only have to variate one part to substantially change the entire SCRAMBLECODE protected bytecode unit. And given the fact that SCRAMBLECODE compiles really fast, it is easy to prepare many different DRM variants in a very short time, and then simply deploy a new one every day. SCRAMBLECODE is easy to combine with other protection technologies if this is required. It allows you to protect and deploy your binaries with a static DRM and add a dynamic SCRAMBLECODE DRM on top as an extra security measure. And given the fact that SCRAMBLECODE protected bytecode is just data ready to be executed by your VM, updates can be downloaded and used anytime. Thank you for watching this video. More information is available at scramblecode.com.